What's up, guys? This is Zach with BitcoinLockup.com again, coming at you with another hardware wallet unboxing video. And in today's video, we are going to take a look at the Ellipal Titan. I'm really excited about this wallet. This is one of the premium higher-end air-gapped wallets, which basically means that there's no connection, no Bluetooth, no USB, no cellular, no Wi-Fi, nothing. This is completely off the grid, and everything is completely managed via QR codes. It's also built with an IP65 rating, which means it's built for, basically for having any sort of water splashed on it. I mean, you can't take it swimming or anything, but basically it allows you to have any water resistance. It's completely enclosed for dust, for shock, things like that. So it's a pretty heavy duty wallet. We're gonna go ahead and unbox it, take a quick look at it, and see what Ellipal has brought us this time. So go ahead and take a quick look here. I've been really wanting to try this wallet here for several months now, ever since I heard that they were looking at it on a pre-order, and I just got it in yesterday. So let's take a quick look and see how this shapes out. Pretty nice presentation with the box. It doesn't come with any security tape or any security packaging from what I can tell, but really nice presentation, very high quality. First thing we see here is just sort of a congratulations cover sheet, letting you know that this is bringing you the most secure air-gap technology and hardware together, impenetrable from both network and physical attacks. So this is pretty nice. The only other wallet that is similar to this would be the Kobo Vault, but the Kobo Vault runs at about $480, and this one comes in with my current discount for the next 24 hours with the link below. You can get a free mnemonic metal tablet, which is right here actually, and this for only $149. After 24 hours, the price is going to be going up to $169, and the tablet by itself, the metal mnemonics tablet, is $49.99. But let's take a quick look at this. Wow. Wow, this thing is pretty sweet. Let's peel this off here. It kind of looks like an Android smartphone. And pulling it up and taking a quick look at it here, this thing is built. So very solid. Looks like that's a camera for scanning QR codes. You pair it with an app, so it's completely wireless, so you don't have to connect it, and it's managed through the Ellipal app. But this thing is solid as a brick. It's got a 4-inch touch screen. Let's go ahead and turn it on real quick just so we can see. There's only a single button, and there's no ports. It looks like there's a magnetic connector down here so that you can upgrade the firmware and have other things. So we'll take a look at that in a second, but pretty slick as far as my opinion. While that's loading up, let's take a look at what else they brought us. Looks like it's just coming with some stickers here. This is for the mnemonic words, 24 seed phrase. Comes, it looks like, with 2 of those. Very nice quality. Oh, actually, it looks like it's just 1 for the mnemonic phrase, and then this is the quick start guide. And it comes with a security adapter, micro SD charging, and that's it. So it's completely air gapped. This looks actually really, really nice. I'm excited to try it out, which I'll show you as a full demo and setup in the next video. But everything is done completely off the grid. So just QR codes scanning through the camera on the hardware device and through your smartphone. So you can send it through any mobile wallet that can scan QR codes. Looks like it's coming with a micro USB connector for the charging, but as you can see, there's no charging port on the device itself. So what is this for? This thing right here, this is how it completely separates. So this thing right here allows you to put in a micro SD card slot for encrypting crypto offline and signing it offline, and then it has an adapter here for the charging. But basically, this little magnetic adapter hooks up right here, and it's completely magnetic, no ports, nothing to pull on. And this is how you upgrade the firmware and you charge the device. So this is actually really slick. So very first thing you'll do, and I'll do this in a full demo in the next video here, but this is starting using the Ellipal app. But what's really unique here is that this magnetic device here is how everything is completely air-gapped and offline, which is pretty slick. So if you drop it, this thing is completely aluminized metal, it looks like, and very, very interested to try this out. So in the next video, we'll do a full demo of this, but pretty awesome here. Make sure to check out my link down below. In the next, like I said, in the next 24 hours, they're going to be raising the price here to $169, which is still a heck of a lot cheaper than the same technology you can get with Kobo Vault for $480, but still a great deal. But you can get a free mnemonic metal seed tablet as well when you order this with the link below. So do that as quickly as you can if this is something you're looking at. This is very, very different than any other hardware wallet that I've seen or that I've personally used. So that's it for today's unboxing. Stay tuned for the next video, and we will do a full demo and setup of this. Thanks for watching.